Hello, we're back to our Skyway Classics YouTube channel with me, Shane, and my camera lady, Nyla, on a 1970 Buick Skylark Custom convertible. Bright red, white bench seats, automatic on the column. It's got the nice Buick wheels with the Cooper Cobra white letter tires. Real nice red paint. The chrome on this car is nice and bright, as it should be. This car comes with power steering, has the power brakes, and it's also an air-conditioned car.
Go ahead and open the door for me, Shane. Let's take a look
It's a power
inside.
convertible top, not a manual.
Nice white seats. And he did say power top, and I will do a quick video of the top going up and down as well. And we're going to follow this video up with some shots of the engine bay with the engine running. Then we'll take it for a spin and take a look underneath. Stay tuned. All right, we're going to do a video of it going up now. I took some still shots of the top up and down, which you can find on skywayclassics.com, along with all of the other awesome photos that we take of all of our inventory. So here you see the top going up. Beautiful. And then these latches just, you know, attach these hooks. That way you're latched in and locked in tight. Awesome. Thanks, Shane. All right, we're gonna go for a ride. Here we are in the Skylark.
1970 Skylark, test drive. Air conditioning's blowing ice cold. Stereo works. It's only stuck on stations from the 80s.
That's not true. It's riding smooth.
She rides real smooth. I thought I was the coolest kid in high school when I drove this. It shifts real smooth.
Sounds good too. These bench seats are nice. It's nice and comfy. I'll tell you that. Alright, we'll get around this corner. Get it up to speed one more time, and then we'll spin it around and take a look underneath. All the gauges are working.
Yeah, the gauges are working properly.
Awesome.
Steering feels tight and no play. Handles very well.
Good deal. Alright, stay tuned if you want to check out the undercarriage, and come check us out, Skyway Classics. Thanks so much.